everyone, it's Super Family Fun. I'm Isabella, and today we're going to be opening Shimmer and Shine Magical Flying Zahracorn. The Zahracorns can flap their wings and kiss and nuzzle their genies. 35 phrases, sounds, and songs. This is for ages 3 and up, and it's by Fisher-Price. We love Fisher-Price. So now you've seen how the box looks like on the outside. Let's open it up. This is Shimmer with her Zahracorn, Zahracorn. This is Shine with her Zahracorn, Zoom Dust. Look at how pretty their wings are. They're so glittery. And look at the headband on top of Shine's head. It's so golden and shiny. And look at the gold saddles. This is Shimmer. She has this purple little shimmery skirts, and she has a little top on her. It has gems on it. Her hair has purple streaks in it. She has a gem on her forehead, and she has these little colorful beauty marks on her. She has these blue leggings and these pink little shoes that look like you could see through them. Maybe they need glasses for her. This is Shine with her beautiful blue shimmering dress on. She has this pink little gem top on with this blue vest. She's rocking it today. She has these beauty marks that are colorful on her, close to her eyeball. And she has a star on her forehead. Her hair has purple highlights in it. And she has golden shoes. And she has pink leggings to match her top. Hey, Shine, what are you wearing to ride your Zahracorns? I don't know. What if we wear gems on our foreheads? That's the greatest idea ever! Yeah! Let's do that! Yippee! We're gonna look totally awesome on our Zahracorns. Let's do it. Oh, but wait, we didn't show our Zahracorns off yet. Zahracorn has a translucent horn and ears. That means that you could see through it a little. It has a button on the tail. Let's press it and see what it does.
Paula would go bananas for this flight. Let's see if we can find her.
Shimmer's gonna ride on her horse. Make sure you clip her in so she won't fall out.
Zahracorn is my magical dark horse. Come play with us.
See, that's why you have to make sure that she's in correctly.
Okay, so let's get her in there. Hey, you have to say it.
Oh yeah, okay. Okay, so now let's get her in there. Okay, she's in. Okay. You could use the Zahracorn's tail as a handle so they can fly around.
Boom! Zahramay! Zahracorn and I are flying away. Zahracorn and Shimmer, we make the skies glimmer.
See the way it's...
Perfect landing.
The Zahracorn can kiss and nuzzle Shimmer. Okay.
Aw, who wants a genie snuggle?
Aw, How cute. They love each other. Now Shine wants to ride on Zoom Dust. Zoom Dust and Shine favorite color is blue. And they have matching eyes. Their eyes are purple. Maybe their favorite color is purple. And then they're under disguise. Zoom Dust has a golden saddle and a golden star on her forehead. And Zoom Dust has pink hair. The tail can also be used as a handle. Press the button and see what Zoom Dust has to say.
We say Zara Flash and Zoom Dust is here in a dash. Boom! Zahramay, up and away.
Whoa.
Another landing. Another perfect landing. We had a fun time reviewing Shimmer and Shine magical flying Zahracorns. Make sure you subscribe and smack that bell so you'll never miss any of our videos. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye!
This has been super family fun. Thank you for spending time with our family. We really appreciate it. If you like this video, please press that like button, subscribe, and become part of the family. We'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.